All right, winter weather can impact more than just your heating bills.
It can make roads slippery, dangerous, and more likely to cause a wreck.
Lawyer Twilley from LA Law is here to tell us more about your options if that happens to you. You look impeccable today, by the way.
Thank you.
You do.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, we're talking about severe weather and nasty weather and people sliding and slipping, and you got a letter.
Last week, super cold.
Super cold's that Saturday morning, Friday, Saturday.
Cold.
Yeah.
So somebody gets involved in a crash. It's super cold. The other car doesn't want to stay.
I don't understand that. What do you mean?
Neither do I.
You're in an accident. You got to stay.
Yeah,
Right.
it's actually a crime if you don't stay. So when you're involved in an accident that causes harm to a person or property, and you leave the scene of a crime, then that's a potential charge. The other thing, though, is it can really slow down your claim because the police officer hasn't had an opportunity to investigate, figure out whether or not you were impaired, whether or not you have insurance, get your side of the story, and so that allows time for the insurance company to come up with their own spin as to how the accident happened.
So what advice would you give to someone who is in an accident? The person does leave. What's the first thing they should be doing? Provided that they're not injured, of course.
So if you're involved in a crash, don't go forcing somebody to stay at the scene, but really be on the phone with the police, 911, call, say, hey, this person's getting ready to leave. Say, hey, don't leave. I'm on the phone with the police. They're saying you need to stay.
Yeah, that's a good idea. What can police do if only one side of it is at the accident?
Well, they're only going to get your side of the story, which can be helpful in one regard. But on the other side is, if the other person has Acme Insurance Company, and they say, well, no, the accident didn't happen that way. They did whatever. Now they have a leg to stand on, and the insurance companies don't want to pay money, and so they will try and, BS their way out of paying you some money on a claim.
All right, thanks, Lawyer.
Thank you so much
for your time, guys.
All right, here's how to get in touch with Lawyer Twilley if you need help. Check out lalawct.com.